Hi guys, I wish to take you through an exam system in Microsoft Access, and therefore we just launch the system by double clicking on the software. Then this software of ours should actually allow you to log in. Therefore I just key in my login details from this module that way. Then when I click on OK, this is the dashboard of my exam system. In this module I have used lower classes, that is Form 1 and Form 2. Also I have used higher classes, that is Form 3 and 4. In the same module we also have the menus up here. You can utilize the menus. I have created these menus here. Therefore there is also some subject selection here. There is marks entry, which substitute this. There is also the exam settings in case you want to put the formula. Also we have the grading system. You can do grading system for Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, Form 4 depending on your classes. You can also produce reports from this module here. Also there are some more settings for the admin, like compact and repair database. If I want to make it MDE, in that for now it is MDB. So ladies and gentlemen, how this system works: you can be in a position to get class list. Like for example, you can just hit on view class list, then you get enter form. Like for example, I go to Form 4, I click on OK, then we have a letter. Like now I can just key in the white like that, then I click on OK. Therefore once I click on OK, you'll be in a position to get the class list of a certain class as you wish. On the other hand, if I want to put fees entries for the student, I can still key in the same. Just go to enter form, then for example I just go to Form 1, then I type the stream, then I'll be in a position to key in the fees. You see now I can be in a position to key in the fees paid, and also I can be in a position to key in the fees paid. Then in the report form, I'll be in a position to get the subtraction, that is the balance calculated automatically. On the other hand, if I want the report form to appear with next term dates when the next term begins, therefore I just needed to hit next term begins. That way then I can just type the date here, that is enter next term's beginning dates, opening dates. You just type the opening dates here, then the opening dates will automatically appear in the report form. Then on the other hand, if I need to do some subject selections for upper classes, I just go to subjects, then I go to subject selection here, then I can be in a position to key in the password and hit enter. Therefore once I hit, if the password is correct, then enter form. Like for example, I just go to Form 1, then next I just go to something like red there. Therefore I'll be in a position to get the students selection list, where I can tick or untick the students who don't, for example, students who don't do a certain subject like this one. I just needed to untick, and automatically that subject will not appear in their subjects list when it comes to marks entry. Therefore I can just cross that one. On the other hand, if example I want to key in marks for Form 1 and 2, I just hit here, then this filter dialog box appears. Then I can be in a position to choose, like for example the year, can also choose the class I want, and then I just go to that one, then I choose term 3, then I click on enter marks. Therefore once I do that, ladies and gentlemen, I'll get a filtered Form 1 red for me with the student who belong to that class, and then I can be in a position to key in the marks. Therefore you see now I can be in a position to key in the marks for various subjects. Like for example, you can just key in the marks here. Like if I change this marks here, this is 0. Therefore if I change some marks here like 89, that way it automatically see that once I set the grid, the grids will automatically appear here. And when you hit on the subject caption appears here. Therefore, you can see this is a certain subject. This is like as chemistry. If I go to mathematics, this is mathematics, etc. Therefore, basically, if I want to key in marks for lower classes, I use this one, that is up here. For marks for the upper classes, I just use this one. Like for example, I just go to this point here, then I can be in a position to produce something like I want to have form 3, then I choose the stream, then the term, then enter marks. Therefore, I'll be in a position again to see my classes, class indicated here, and subject and students who belong to that. Then on the other hand, if I want to set the exam settings, like for example, I want to key in for the first column, therefore I just need to go to this point here and then key in the password for that matter. Then once I hit on enter, this is where I set the exam parameters. Therefore, this is out of, and then this is the conversion I want. For instance, here we are keying in for the opener, which is 1 out of 100, and it is 100 marks. Therefore, that one is for that point there. Then, if you want to produce something like that is the performance of the class, that is the analysis. If I can just go to this point like here, right now here, then I just choose the year, I choose the form, then I also choose the term, then I click to view the list. Therefore, you'll notice that Microsoft Access can be used to develop strong software, just like you can see this one here. If you can see, it will produce for me the A's up to E and the mini scores, then also the subjects that I need. On the other hand, you can still produce, you can still change the grading system from here. Therefore, this is where you change your grading system for various subjects as you wish. Therefore, I can still accomplish that one from that point. On the other hand, you can still see the school, that is the school roll from here. If I just click here, then I can be in a position also to set term 1, term 2, term 3, and also promote classes or demote classes. You can also paste from Microsoft Excel. This is where you can just do your pasting of your student. Therefore, basically, ladies and gentlemen, you can see that Microsoft Access can be used to produce, to come up with a software that can be used to produce exams. Ladies and gentlemen, remember you can download copies of these softwares that I do from my website. My website address is just below this video. On the other hand, you can also be in a position to work with this module here, that you can produce some other living certificates here. Therefore, this one is also another module that can be utilized from this system. Also, you can export to Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel whatever you need to have done, whatever you need to produce, that is for export purposes. Remember to subscribe for my channel. Remember also to check on what's new always as I go on uploading various videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next sessions.